This is a 3-piece set of silicone tip tongs by Hot Target, and check these out. You get a 12-inch, a 9-inch, and also a 7-inch too. And look at all these fun colors it comes in, red, blue, and green too. And what makes this really nice is that they're dishwasher safe as well as heat resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's so easy to use. All you have to do is push this button and then it opens up. To lock it, you just pull on the O-ring and then it's locked in place, just like that. So it's perfect to hang on an S-hook or a nail too. And it comes in 3 different sizes. The 12-inch one is perfect for grilling, for the oven, or the stovetop too, where you want to be a little bit further away from the flame. The 9-inch one is also great for cooking and grilling too, but it's also great for salads as well. And the 7-inch one, this is perfect for hors d'oeuvres or vegetable platters or as ice tongs too. I was sent this from Hot Target to evaluate and I absolutely love them. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Happy cooking!